I'm colourblind, by the way, so I don't know if that's grey or blue or green or whatever. It's alright. Crazy cat sitting in the middle of the street. What are you doing out there? Come on, come in. Right. Still working on the Fiat, but obviously real life gets in the way sometimes, and there's other things I need to be getting on with at the same time. I'm having to paint the house at the moment, and I'm partway through the job. I'm no expert DIYer by any means, so it's all white, which is quite easy to do. This is going to be a bit tricky. I need to sort this door out. It's been painted before, but the resin or the stain from underneath this colour has come through. I'm colourblind, by the way, so I don't know if that's grey or blue or green or whatever. Anyway, so I need to repaint that as well, so I'll probably take those doors off to do it. I've got to finish off painting here as well. These are all the little patches that are filled in. So it's an old house and the walls are uneven and sort of not smooth by any means, so that's what's been keeping me busy. Probably start including stuff like this in the video so you can see sort of what else is going on and not just stuff on the Fiat. Right, plenty to keep me busy. Let's crack on. So I've got the old roller and brush and a plastic bag trick, so I don't have to wash it out every night when I finish painting. This paint's pretty good, so one coat should be enough. Finally got everything painted white, ceilings and the walls. What's left is the door. It needs to be sanded down and then I'll put primer on it. Because as you can see from before, I think the varnish or something's coming through and it's staining it and making it look sort of dirty and a funny colour. So sand it, prime it and paint it again, and that should be it. Right, let's crack on. Right, here's another little job that needs doing. This mirror, I've already taped it up. I'm going to change this horrible, yucky colour. So I'm going to prime it again first, and then I'm going to paint it probably like a light grey or blue colour. So we'll see what that looks like when it's done. So I think it was actually chalk paint that it was painted with before, and there was no finish on top like a varnish or anything, so just give it a quick sand down. then we'll prime it. So 2 coats of primer on this, I think, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, there's 1 coat done there. I'll probably put another coat on because I don't want that green, well, I think it's green, that green colour showing through when I paint the actual top coat. There's the doors primed. I'll do 1 coat on the frame. The frame wasn't so bad because it was just plain white wood before, but that was the problem where it was showing through on the stain. So 1 more coat of primer on there. I think I'm okay on there for primer. And then another coat of primer on there. Then we're ready to paint. Right, I need to go get some paint because I've only got this little tester sort of sample pot. I need to get enough for the doors and the frames as well. And there's actually a classic car show in Malaga this weekend, so while we're over there we'll pop in and take a look. And I'll take you along for the ride as well. Let's go. Right, hope you enjoyed that little trip to the car show. Couldn't get any paint, needed to order it. Take about a week or so to come, but I should have enough left in that little sample pot just to finish off the little mirror frame. No need to worry about the Fiat Barchetta, that's still here, all well and good. There we go, still there. Should be something coming up on that in the next episode. Right, just need to finish off painting that mirror frame and I'll show you where we're up to. Right, let's get this down so we can get it painted. There we go. I just want to clean up the joins of the 2 bits of wood together. So there's no paint drip mark between the 2 bits. Do the same there as well. So the paint that I'm using is Farrow and Ball, which isn't the cheapest, but it gives you good coverage and the colours are pretty good as well. It's emulsion, which might be a bit weird for painting wood, but I'm going to put some clear water-based varnish over it afterwards to protect it. Definitely a big improvement on that colour that it was before. Alright, we'll let that dry. It should dry to a matte finish, which is just starting to around there. Then we'll get it back up on the wall, and I'll give it sort of, you know, a couple of days to dry before I put the varnish on. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Wow, there we go, job done. That's pretty good, much better than before, much better than that old colour. Yeah, really pleased with that. Fantastic. Right, not a very nice day today at all. Anyway, let me take you inside and show you what we're up to. I could just do it a little bit wider for you. So that's everything painted. Still got to do the door frames, but like I said, waiting for the paint to arrive. There's our other doors there. And there's our mirror there. Looking good. Right, nearly finished, just waiting for the paint to arrive, then we're done. And that's a wrap, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video. A little bit different to normal videos, but I hope you enjoyed it all the same. I'll try and include a bit more house-related stuff going forward as well, just to sort of make things a bit more varied. But don't worry, don't panic, there'll still be plenty to come on the Fiat Barchetta, and maybe other cars as well as the channel grows. Right, I'll see you next time.